The lecture I'm going to solve this differential equation. So let's see the answer. So first here I'm going to write the given cos x, then after 1 plus cos y, and here dx, then after minus sin y, then after here 1 plus sin x dy equal to 0. The first thing is we need to move this into the right. Okay, so here writing cos x 1 plus cos y, then after here dx. So this we can write here sin y 1 plus sin x, and this is now dy. After that you need to do one thing. So y part move into one place and x part you need to move on the another place. So this is here cos x and dx, and then 1 plus sin x that move in the denominator, and thereafter here we can write sin y, then here dy, and this we can write 1 plus cos y. Okay, and the next thing is you need to do the integrating on the both side. So right here integrating both sides. So that here writing integration symbol here cos x dx divided by 1 plus sin x, and integration symbol the next is sin y dy, and here 1 plus cos y, and the next is you need to assume. So for this one let z equal to 1 plus sin x, then we can write dz equal to 1 differentiation 0 sin differentiation cos x and here dx, or we can write dz equal to cos x dx. And for this one we need to assume z already used there, so let's assume v equal to 1 plus cos y, then dv equal to 1 differentiation 0, then after cos differentiation sin y. Okay, and then after here dy, then dv we can write here, so minus sin y dy, or we can write minus dv equal to sin y dy. And the next is thereafter here we should cos x dx we can write dz, cos x dx place we can write dz, and 1 plus sin x there z, it's equal to integration symbol. The next is 1 plus cos sin y dy that we can write minus dv, and 1 plus cos y that here we can write v. Now the next is here, so 1 by z integration log z, then after here it's not plus, it should be equal, then minus is there, so this we can write log v, and c is the arbitrary constant. Then after here both places that come log, so that here we can write log c. Okay, log c we can write that. Now after that z value is now 1 plus sin x, so we can put log 1 plus sin x, and here minus log v value is now, so v value is now 1 plus cos y, or here we can write log c. Thereafter we need to do the reverse. So log 1 plus sin x, and this we can write log c minus log 1 plus cos y. We have the formula log a by b, that's equal to log a minus log b. So here we should write log c divided by log 1 plus cos y, and this is here log 1 plus sin x. Now the next is not like that. Here I did the little mistakes, so log in one place only. So log a by b equal to log a minus log b. Suppose this is log a and here log b. So this here we can write log c divided by 1 plus cos y. Okay, and on the left side write there 1 plus sin x. Now the next is both side has the log, so that I'm going to remove it. So we can write here 1 plus sin x and c 1 plus cos y. After that you need to do the cross multiplication. So here we can write 1 plus sin x and here 1 plus cos y. It's equal to c. So this is cos. So this is the final answer of this question. So differential equation, this is the final answer. Okay, so one time going to repeat this all. So first you need to write the given, then cos part, x part you should separate in one place, y part you should separate in another place. After that do the integration on the both side, then denominator assume z 1 plus sin x z, do the differentiation, then dz equal to cos x dx. 1 plus cos y you need to assume something like v, so dv equal to minus sin y dy. After that put the values, then here dz by z integration log z and minus dv by v log v. Then after here we need to give the arbitrary constant, so both place has the log, so that here I've given the log c. After that the next is log c I can write first, and log a by b, the formula is log a minus log b. Utilize that. After that both side has the log, so log gonna remove. Then after we can write 1 plus sin x equal to c by 1 plus cos y. Do the cross multiplication, then you can get that. So this is the way we can find the differential general solution of this differential equation. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.